My dear friends, first of all I would like to say a big shout out to our CEO Ash Mufareh and especially his dear wife for helping Ash to bring his dream into the light. Secondly, the geniuses from the tech team of OnPassive in India for masterminding these O20 products. Ash Mufareh is pleased to present them to you and they will be rolled out to us one by one. This is just the start, my friends, and many others are in the background waiting for our eyes to see. Key features of Ocademy. At Ocademy, we provide the tools and skills to teach and learn what you love. Our vision is to construct the world's most extensive educational repository. Know more about OBless. OBless gives an opportunity to people to relate causes with the community. It comes with multiple features that allow every person interested to showcase a project and get funded while getting the chance to get a platform to get recognition for innovation. Key features of OShop. We provide you with top quality customized printed products at affordable prices and niche quality. Key features of OStaff. Bringing a new edge to how you manage your resources. OStaff introduces the new way of automating management. Know about the multiple features that our AI-enabled human resources management system tool OStaff comes with. Key features of OMail. OMail, an AI-powered email service, comes with multiple features that enhance the ease with which you send and receive emails and manage your contacts. It is a convenient and user-friendly solution to all your emailing needs. Key features of OConnect brings unsurpassable ease and quality to every online meeting you have. With a platform that is AI-enabled and steeped with the latest features, OConnect gives every online interaction a new experience. Key features of OCounting. OCounting gives you that unparalleled ease and efficiency that you deserve with all your accounting needs. Spanning from inventory management, recording receivables, payables, monitoring expenses and so much more, OCounting redefines every accounting aspect for you. Key features of OTrim. Present every post and message with a link to your page that is prime and adds to the value of your brand. OTrim comes with multiple features that do so much more than just shortening a URL link. Key features of OPost. Reach out to your customer base at a go with a tool that is highly secure and integrated with the best features to enhance every experience. OPost offers you a smart way to fulfill all your email marketing needs. Key features of OWallet. Built for hassle-free online payments for the OnPassive ecosystem with all the features and rewards you love. OWallet is an AI-powered digital mobile wallet application offering numerous features. Key features of ONet. ONet has reliably evolved with advanced AI technology to fit its users' requirements and attract new ones. Key features of OTracker. OTracker is a fast, free, and accurate way to find the IP address location. The tool has an intuitive dashboard that offers valuable insights to the user. There are several added advantages to the product and are listed on the onpassive.com website. Key features of OCreate, a proprietary tool that gives you the ease of building a website with the features that you want. Integrated with the latest AI technology, OCreate customizes your home page as per your customer segment. Key features of OChat. OChat is designed to cater to your customers' needs and issues. The smart chatbot analyzes the customer's urgency and makes necessary escalations. Key features of OCapture. Improvise your videos and images with our exhaustive features. Add a voiceover or include background music to your video. Trim a portion of your video or record one for an unlimited amount of time. Use OCapture to realize the true potential of your visual communication. Key features of OLead. Regardless of the size of the business, the software helps you track your company's activities and manage new customers. The tool has several additional features when compared to the basic tools in the market. More features listed on the onpassive.com website. Key features of OPeer. The features of OPeer help in seamless communication, which is highly useful for increased productivity and output at a workplace. Office communication should be easy and be done in an instant. The highly engineered features of OPeer help in easy interaction at the workplace. Key features of OVirtual: it is important for data to be stored in a secure platform. The features of OVirtual are helpful for business organizations to protect confidential information in a highly encrypted database that is free from any kind of hacking intrusions and attacks. Key features of ODit: picture and video tools help in enhancing the picture and video quality, which are way more appealing than ordinary pictures. Filters and editing tools are specifically designed for the target audience with an eye for detail. Key feature of ODomain: a cloud storage facility that helps you register and store all your web information on a secured storage facility. We are trusted partners of your business that offers you a wide range of domain name endings for your website. Please visit the onpassive.com website for more updates and features for all these products, and stay connected for the coming of new products. Thanks to the tech team, and Mr. Bill Must for this valuable information.